Camp Anakiji is one of the country's premier youth camps. Founded in 1926, Anakiji has a rich history and tradition of serving youth and families. Summer camp, outdoor education, leadership experiences, and adventure trips are just a few of the programs offered throughout the year. Anakiji is nestled in the Kettle Moraine Forest region near Plymouth, Wisconsin, and consists of over 350 acres of rolling hills and woodlands, surrounding close to 3/4 of Little Elkhart Lake. Anakiji is the perfect setting for a youth-based community that's founded on new friends, positive values, personal growth, great adventures, and outrageous fun.
I hang out mostly on the waterfront, boats, sailing, windsurfing, swimming, a lot of swimming.
Well, I like going on the kayaks and the canoes.
Anakiji campers can look forward to hours of fun in and on the water. Here's a chance to have fun and learn a new skill, like paddle sports, which will come in handy when it's time to go fishing or participate in the 30-foot Voyager canoe race to the island. A beautiful lake, a large assortment of water adventures, and guidance from a trained and dedicated staff. It all adds up to be a winning combination.
Like kickball, scatterball, dodgeball.
All sorts of different games, and I like archery too. Horseback riding here is really fun.
The programs at Anakiji are designed with 4 elements in mind: safety, adventure, character building, and kid cool. If it's horses you like, Anakiji has 50, with 20 miles of trails to ride and enjoy. Other activities like archery, riflery, and land games are just a few of the options that give campers an opportunity to challenge themselves and gain confidence in a new fun outdoor skill. Kids can also learn about woodworking, arts and crafts, dance, drama, and trail crafts while having a ton of fun. For older campers, adventure challenges and adventure trips are offered each week of the summer.
I like camp because it's like a mini world inside the world, and you have so much fun and you meet new people.
Several times each day, the entire camp comes together. Meals are held in a scenic log cabin, the Western Lodge, where home-style cooking, lumberjack breakfasts, and outdoor barbecues are enjoyed by all. Campfires and special events are a great gathering for singing songs, performing skits, and showing off their talents at a weekly talent show. Anakiji comes from the Ojibwa language, meaning we serve. It's the camp motto. It's the basis for all that we do. And it translates into respect for each other, for ourselves, and for the natural environment. Generations of campers have appreciated the positive results of the Anakiji experience. Now it's your chance to share the spirit of Camp Anakiji. Come join us. You'll love it.